Hello and welcome to Hair by Shonda TV, and today's video is sponsored by DOLA 100% Virgin Hair. First, let's get into what's in this bag, okay? So first, they give you a nice little cute bag with a wig cap in it. This is the wig, but we're gonna get into this wig grip bands, okay? They give it to you for free, guys. It comes free with any purchase from DOLA. And this right here is popular because you wrap it around your head before you put your wig on, and you can shake your head really hard and your wig won't come off. So that's pretty cool. Look at this beautifully constructed wig here, guys. Breathable cap. See? Nice and full. 14-inch wig. 180% density. So it's nice and full. It has 2 elastic bands to hook around the back of your head. A lot of body. This hair is really soft. It really is. This is my honest opinion of this hair. It's really soft. This is great quality hair. And this is a 6-inch part. You know how those 4-inch parts make your head look scrunched in a little bit? But this 6-inch part will make it look so natural. So I am getting ready to beautify this wig. I'm just going to add a little color. I have this high color by L'Oreal. I'm not going to make it red, but I'm just going to kind of lighten it and give it a few freehand highlights. I have this highlighting paper here, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to freehand a few highlights in this hair just to give it a little color and proceed to cut and style it for my model. Coloring hair is an art. You can color your hair however you want to, as long as it looks good and the client loves it. Color it, freehand it, use paper, use aluminum, whatever you need to do to get the job done. No, this is not any fancy name, ombre, balayage, whatever who. This is some good old free-handed highlighting. And yes, I said handed. What I'm doing now is just feathering out the big chunks that's kind of left when I start applying the color. So I just take a clean brush and I just feather it out. Just feather through it so that it looks like some nice clean highlights. It looks a mess now, but it'll be cute when it's done, trust me. All right, so we have her all braided down, got her stocking cap on, and got her wig on. And I'm briefly just going to show you what it looks like on the other side of those 2 inches. See this clean track right here? Then there's another one on the other side, of course. So I'm just going to cut the lace in the front. I'm not going to glue this wig down or anything because that wig grip that we're going to put on towards the end of the video, you're going to see how effective that is when she starts shaking and moving this hair around. This hair looks so natural after it's shampoo, condition, and blow dried.
I was just that's why I was looking. I was like, this is like mine.
So I'm getting ready to razor cut her a nice messy bob, a classy messy bob. It's gonna be classy messy, nice soft curls, but real messy and sassy. So I just want to discuss my thoughts on this wig so far. It is really, really, really beautiful, guys. This hair is so nice. And I'm like blown away by how soft it is and how easy. Look how just easy my flat irons just gliding through those curls. When you have hair that has like a lot of plastic fibers, what is that Toyokalan, Kankalan, whatever, that stuff is getting stuck to your flat irons. You can't construct a nice smooth curl like this with the flat iron when you have that plastic hair, because as it's melting to the flat iron is getting stuck to the curl. But see how it's just smoothly going through. Look at that shine. This is some good hair, y'all. Y'all better mess with DOLA, okay? DOLA doing it. DOLA has some good hair. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm gonna mess it up messy. No rhyme or reason. Just go and run my fingers through it and comb it and push it and twist it and turn it and just make a messy, cute, sassy, classy bob. So I want to shout out my girl Supa with the Crayon Case brand. I'm just gonna use a little bit of her concealer in her part just to make it look more realistic. Alright, so now I'm going to take the wig off. I styled it up already, and I'm going to sit it to the side and apply her wig grip bands. And then we're going to put the wig back on and allow you to see how great it works when she gets to shaking and moving her head around. It's not going anywhere. Trust me. The wig grip band is the truth, guys. And you get it free with the purchase of a DOLA wig. Well, guys, thank you for watching, as always, and I hope I've given you enough information on DOLA's beautiful hair. If not, the link is in the description to the website, so you can go on there and check it out for yourself. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for the notifications whenever I upload a video. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. God bless you.